You get a spoon. You get a spoon.
Hi, friends.
Hello.
Yes. So right now we're at MRC. I can't believe you got this.
We're gonna use it to make molds.
Okay. Alright, so what?
No. Alright, Brian, adding the glue, right?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. Chicken!
Let me pull up Safari. Crunchy slime recipe for kids. Okay.
Yes, people are definitely like, what the fuck are these kids doing?
We know.
Oh, guys, feel it.
Brian, time
Brian.
for dinner.
Eat up.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
I'm looking up the directions online, but the thing that I looked up just has the materials and no directions. Okay, half a cup of glue.
Half a cup. This is more than half a
So
cup.
now we're supposed to add equal parts saline solution and... Why? Why don't you just pour it into there?
It's equal parts.
Oh, that's so smart.
You literally just said to
That's-
do that.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Maybe it does.
Just squirt it in there.
It's gonna take like 5 years.
I'll do it.
Yay, I'm so excited to be here for the softball game. Oh my god, look! It's an airplane. The night skies are like shooting stars.
You have to do it again, the other one.
I can't. Here, pour this in. Pour this in.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. It's gonna mix wrong.
Pour
Hurry!
it,
Pour it, Sarah!
Here, just pour it in here. That's a waste of time. Pour it in here. Cups.
Oh shoot, I wasn't filming. My hand's all gluey. Get out of my zone.
Here, go.
2 shots of vodka. Why is it not turning into slime? This is such a waste. Maybe that'll do it.
Please.
It's working!
Go. Spoon. Spoon.
Spoon, 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 spoon.
Yeah, I kind of have to pee too.
Okay, knead it.
Stop!
We're just gonna
Bring it out.
I don't think we made it right.
Really, Sarah?
This is like low-key vandalism.
It literally feels like scrambled
Stop.
eggs. Like, look.
That's so much.
Ew, it's got all dirty. Buys materials for slime for 5 hours. Takes slime for 20 seconds, messes it up.
It's so making a bowl.
Slime tutorial.
Look at it.
Ew, it looks like period. It looks like period clumps. Sarah perioded on me. I'm going into the girls' bathroom.
Okay. Pick up my phone like my... Actually?
Okay, this was the final result.
Wait, the chips are on this side.
But that's the side I'm sitting on.
Please go. I don't care about the fucking spoon. Here we go. Let's go. We're going. We're going.
This man tried to hit us. Let me film his license plate.
DJ,
I don't know if you can...
why am I yelling?
I'm Kendall Jenner.
I got a vagina.
Ooh.
Holy shit, I got a vagina.
Oh, I'm gonna learn.
Oh, there is softball. I
Told
told
ya.
you, there was an empire.
An empire?
You mean an umpire? I have an STI.
Run.
That hurt.
Me? I'm gonna attack you.
Let's not.
I got a vagina. Definitely. Okay, can I help you fucking sirs?
Sarah,
Call.
shut up. We're just 3 teens trying to make it in the world, and if you have a problem, it's not our problem. Oh, we're gonna go throw slime at the kids at Dodge. Guys, hoods up, hoods up. Who's gonna be our designated slime thrower?
That will not be me. If
You can see me in the thing. Okay, let me explain to you what happened to my sty. This is my sty tour. Here's my sty. It's very swollen. Sarah keeps rubbing it because she wants a sty. A couple days ago, my eye started hurting and I thought I had ocular cancer, when I googled it because that's what it was. That's what I thought.